Architecture stands as the most ancient art in the history of human civilization. It shapes a city's character, creates its identity, and embodies its culture. From Egyptian pyramids and Roman colosseums to the classical gardens and the Great Wall of China, materials constitute the backbone of architecture. From natural substances to man-made materials, a wide variety of resources are used for the strength, durability, spatial design, and aesthetic needs of buildings, alongside the development of human civilization. Constantly evolving building materials play a key role in creating stunning and remarkable structures and keeping them alive. The introduction of cement has transformed the human architectural history. In 1824, the British Joseph Aspin patented Portland cement. This has been regarded as one of the most important inventions in the construction industry. Building materials reshape the city landscape. Each surge of new material fuels civic improvement. In Nanjing, China, CCSP tirelessly advances in the building material industry, continuously fostering a culture of societal responsibility. With a big picture vision, CCSP aligns itself with national strategies while striving to provide low carbon and intelligent services to the global building material industry. Powered by the philosophy of sustainable win-win partnership and years of experience in engineering technology, CCSP has obtained EPC General Contracting qualifications. The company boasts core technologies in the calcining, grinding, and intelligent systems in the cement plant, providing system optimization, capacity improvement, and energy saving, and environmental friendly solutions and services. In the global building materials industry, CCSP has established profound cooperation with CNBM, Conch Cement, CGGC, Lafarge Holcim, Dangote Cement, and other companies in over 70 countries and regions. Positioned at a new starting point in the information age, CCSP is committed to fulfilling the future needs of the industry. It spearheads R&D in automation, intelligent equipment, and big data technologies to provide smart plant innovation and applications to industrial enterprises. Its applications of 5G and IoT technologies make smart production control a reality. The smart plant systems include 3D digital plans, intelligent equipment management, energy management, quality control, and safety management systems and modules. Through online equipment vibration detection, online lubricant testing, traceability analysis, and lubricant purification, CCSP initiates proactive maintenance and provides equipment ecosystem for intelligent equipment management. With industry-leading technical experts as core, CCSP aims at the future strategic goal of the cement industry while promoting new energy-saving and low-carbon materials. CCSP also helps in building zero-waste cities and pioneers the efficient utilization of solid waste resources by innovating the production process for geopolymers and additives. The continuous introduction of new materials has generated energy sustainability and eco-friendly effects. We are creating a carbon-free and green future. As a one-stop service provider for global cement industry, CCSP continues to extend its reach to countries near and far along the Belt and Road. It has forged extensive business partnerships with renowned enterprises in more than 70 countries and regions, expanding its overseas network and sharing opportunities. CCSP strives to export its project management, engineering design, and technical equipment to showcase the Chinese standards to the world. Envisioning a green and sustainable future, CCSP is committed to responsibility and reliability. Its journey to innovation never stops. We value our teams and partners who join us on this meaningful journey. Together, we improve the environment while making the world a better place. Welcome to CCSP, where innovation happens.